I do not condemn you, my beloved child. Stop running. Come into my light. You have been hiding in your thoughts, covering yourself with guilt, shrinking your heart because you believe you have disappointed me. But hear me now, clearly, gently, without fear. I am not here to accuse you. I am here to restore you. I see what you did. I see what you regret. I see the moments you wish you could erase. And still, I look at you with love. You have confused conviction with condemnation. Conviction leads you back to me. Condemnation pushes you away from me. That voice telling you you are not worthy anymore is not my voice. That weight crushing your joy is not from heaven. That shame that keeps you silent in my presence did not come from my heart, my child. I already knew your weaknesses before you ever failed. I knew the battles you would lose before you ever fought them, and yet, I chose to love you fully. Do you think your mistake shocked me? Do you think your fall changed my mind about you? No. What breaks my heart is not your failure. It is that you believe your failure changed my love. Look at me. I did not come to shame sinners, I came to rescue them. When I carried the cross, I carried your guilt. When the nails pierced my hands, they pierced your condemnation. When I rose from the grave, I buried your shame forever. Why are you still carrying what I already finished? You keep replaying your past, but I have already redeemed it. You keep labeling yourself by what went wrong, but I call you by what I am restoring. My beloved, you are not dirty, you are not damaged goods, you are not a disappointment, you are forgiven, not because you explained yourself well enough, not because you promised to do better, but because my mercy is greater than your failure. I know you feel unworthy to pray, unworthy to worship, unworthy to dream again, but I say to you now, come back. Not after you fix yourself, not after you feel perfect. Come back now. When the woman stood before me, surrounded by judgment, broken by shame, terrified of rejection, I did not ask her to explain. I did not remind her of her sin. I simply said, neither do I condemn you. And I am saying that to you this moment. I am not holding stones, I am holding scars, proof that your debt has been paid, my child. Shame has been sitting on a throne that never belonged to it. Today, I remove it. Lift your head. You are not defined by your worst moment. You are not trapped by your yesterday. You are not beyond redemption. I am doing something new in you, even now. Let my spirit wash your conscience. Let my truth silence the accusing voice. Let my love rebuild what guilt has torn down. Receive this blessing. I bless you with freedom from self-hatred. I bless you with courage to stand again. I bless you with peace that replaces regret. I bless you with joy that shame tried to steal. You will no longer hide from me. You will no longer punish yourself. You will walk forward clean, restored, and unafraid. My grace is not fragile. My love is not conditional. My mercy does not expire. You are still mine. You have always been mine, and today, you are free.